नमस्कार, बिहार मिथिला न्यूज़ के इस विशेष कार्यक्रम में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं तलत परवीन। शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में गुणवत्ता के साथ आई टेक्नोलॉजी पर अब स्कूल अपने बच्चों के अंदर प्रतिभा निखारने में लग गई है। दरभंगा के दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल अब छात्र छात्राओं के साथ शिक्षकों को भी हाईटेक एवं राष्ट्रीय और राज्य स्तर के प्रतिस्पर्धा के साथ 10वीं और 12वीं के परीक्षा के लिए अभी से ही तैयारी करना प्रारंभ कर दी है, जिससे छात्र छात्राओं के साथ शिक्षकों में भी एक नया जोश और उमंग देखने को मिलता है। पेश है एक रिपोर्ट। दिल्ली पब्लिक स्कूल के चेयरमैन शोएब खान ने अपने स्कूल में एआई प्रणाली लाकर एक क्रांति ला दी है।
My name is Maha Tufel and I am from class 9C from Delhi Public School, Kadirabad, Darbhanga. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Artificial means man-made and intelligence means wisdom. AI is a technology that can learn and think and make decisions just like humans. AI helps in diagnose diseases and even predict patient outcomes. In education, AI helps students to prepare their project. In the field of technology, AI is helping in healthcare, transportation, entertainment, etc. AI helps influencing industries like healthcare, education, transport, and entertainment. In healthcare, AI helps doctor diagnose diseases and predict patient outcomes. In entertainment, AI recommendations help us to discover new movies, musics, and shows. In the field of finance, AI helps detect fraudulent activities and it also makes the transactions safer. Self-driving car powered by AI is reshaping the future of AI technology. Thank you. Delhi Public School, Kadirabad.
My name is Rishika Singh from Standard 9 of Delhi Public School or CAF of Kadirabad, Darbhanga. We can solve. AI is a type of technology. It's a field that first analyzes the data. First it collects the data, then it analyzes it, then it processes, then it is used to interpret the data to the viewers, to the users. The thing is that there are two types of data. First is logical reasoning and the second one is arithmetic. We humans have achieved many things in our past lives, whether it is in the field of agriculture, neuroscience, medicine, health sector or education sector. And one of our biggest achievement is AI. AI is used for many things and also for problem solving. It is the biggest idea that we have created is to solve problems using AI. Through ChatGPT, through Siri, through Alexa, through personal assistant that the developers have created. The problem solving, the AI, the technology first collects the data. The algorithm first it collects the data, then it analyzes, then it processes the data into problem solving solutions. Then after it then continues to solve the problem and interpret back to us. This is how we get the solution when we ask something from AI.
What's your name?
My name is Laksh Kashyap. My school name is Delhi Public School and I am studying in 8B. AI technology is being used in our school. Our school AI is used by us. We are first studying the courses that were given by the school and then we are getting the practical classes of that courses such as Java, Python, C++, Java, etc. We are also understanding the knowledge of programming while our teachers are supporting us to get involved in programming languages. Thank you.
First of all, AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. This is a computer technology recently has emerged in the world, although it was started in 1962 when American President John F. Kennedy approved it, right? But it has emerged as the largest computer tool, right? Very important computer tool in this existing era. It is very useful in most of the fields. Suppose that education sector, health sector, law. In America, if you will find that most of the patients are treated with the help of AI technology. Even in the courts, people are using AI technology, and with the use of AI technology, they are bringing the outcomes, right? So these are the things. Although this technology is being widely used in the world, and Elon Musk as leading this project, and we hope that in coming year this technology will revolutionize in the field of information technology. Our children are using with the help of project work. We have well furnished computer lab in the theoretical part. All the knowledges and latest information related to this technology are being provided to our students from standard 5 to standard 12. Pankaj Singh, Delhi Public School, Kadirabad, senior teacher.